Shalom, brothers and sisters. Thank you once again for checking in the Word Made Fresh. I am your co-host, Solomon.
And I'm your co-host, Dion.
And we appreciate you coming back. And we really just want to come on and give a quick channel update as we look into expanding our range as far as the type of videos that we produce and the topics that we cover.
Absolutely. You see, pretty much what's been going on, as with any believer, we've been seeking the Most High. And as you seek the Most High, you know, He's constantly revealing fresh and new things to you.
Right.
You know, our whole life is pretty much like a journey for truth.
Absolutely.
We're trying to, understand Him through His Word. And, as things come about, you learn new things.
Yeah.
And as you learn new things, you're kind of forced to adjust to those different things. And pretty much here, what we've been doing lately is we're kind of breaking out of that shell of tradition.
Mm-hmm.
You know, so many things when you taught certain things as you grow up. You told things are supposed to be one way, and don't challenge, don't ask questions, and new things. And I guess you can kind of say we kind of have been challenging and asking those questions.
Yeah, right.
And I say we're doing it with the right spirit.
Absolutely. Yeah. Answering those tough questions sometimes, and facing those teachings that we've been under,
Mm-hmm.
In love, but at the same time, it's one of the hardest things to do is to be confronted with something that you believe to be true, and then the scriptures say something opposite of that. And so really based on that, as far as the different type of videos we're looking at, a lot of historical videos. When we look at a lot of the traditions, we find that the history behind those things are why we do them, and they're not scripturally based. So we're going to be doing a lot of historical videos.
Absolutely.
Looking at those.
Yeah, I mean, it's one of those things that I think that's important for all of us to have a certain type of encouragement on their walk. And I think the devotionals that we're going to be putting out is going to be put in place to kind of help people be encouraged, the people just to kind of be focused, to stay focused on their walk.
And it won't just be me all the time, right? My brother Dion, he's been getting on that, so we definitely have some devotional videos. We're looking at even just some scriptural reading videos as well.
That's key.
Sure.
Sleeping
to the scriptures. Yeah,
hey,
I'm with it, right?
It's a great thing.
Yeah,
it's a great thing.
And then of course we'll stay with our topical teachings as well. And we kind of just, like you said, broaden our range and really just breaking away from that tradition. So sometimes, some things may not always be agreeable. Yeah. But if it lines up with the word, what do you do?
Right. I mean, it's pretty much just challenge. So as we challenge you guys, we challenging ourselves.
Yeah.
And it's, like you said, it's all done in the right spirit. And, hopefully by doing it, you can come away with a better faith, a better,
that's the goal,
understanding for yourself. And that's going to have a direct impact on your walk and your obedience to the Most High.
Absolutely. And of course, we are always welcoming to engagement so that we can sharpen one another as well. We love the comments.
Keep them coming. Keep. You got questions. Shoot your questions down there. So we love to answer the questions and even we challenge ourselves.
Suggestions too, right? Topic suggestions. Yeah, absolutely. We'd love to hear those things too. And I don't really have much else to say. How about you?
I mean, we had a little break.
We did.
We took some time, spend with our families and just to seek the Father and everything. But we back. We here.
Right. Transitions, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
It was a good transition. Absolutely. Hey, so we appreciate y'all once again. If you haven't subscribed, this is your first time, go check out some of the other videos. Consider subscribing as well. And until next time, as we normally say, learn the word,
live the word,
and share the word.
Shalom.
Shalom.